So now I have my hues all placed in. When you mix your primary colors, you get black, which should be at the center of your circle. And zoom in here. This really dark ring all the way around the inside of your tints is called the shades. That's when you mix all of these hues with black, and you'll get some pretty weird colors in here. You may get some rusty orange colors. You may get a really gross yellow, some forest greens, navy blues, a really dark purple, dark maroon. And so these are just going to be really, really dark shades of each of these hues on the outside. Now I've also gone in and I've added a white to all of my hues, and that's called tints. So when you add white to your natural hue, you create a tint. So in this diagram alone, you have shown primary colors, tints, shades, and what happens when you mix those primary colors. So there's also something extremely important for you to know though. We are going to list primary and jot down red, yellow, and blue. You will also need to know what the secondary colors are. Secondary colors are the ones that you create when you mix your primary colors. So when you mix red and yellow, you get orange. Orange is one of our secondary colors. When you mix yellow and blue, you get green. Green is a secondary color. And when you mix blue and red, you get violet, which is our last secondary color. And then we have tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are your yellow-orange, red-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, red-violet. Okay? Go ahead and write those in. Red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, and blue-violet, and red-violet. So all from this color wheel, we have all these different relationships that are working that we are unaware of. But one of the most important relationships that you will need to know for this unit is complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite of each other on the color wheel. When you give a compliment to somebody, it is spelled differently than our color complements. Complements in the color wheel are complements. I'm going to put opposites. An example of this might be, if I were to look at blue-violet, the color that is directly across from my blue-violet. So I'm going to scan with my eyes, which is yellow-orange. Blue-violet and yellow-orange are complements. With Christmas approaching, you could use that as your example. If you look at green, the one directly across is red. So I'll put green to red. The one across from blue is orange. Blue and orange. Violet and yellow. single color on this color wheel has a complement, but red, green, blue, orange, and violet, yellow are the most basic ones. Blue, green has a complement of red, orange. Yellow, green has a complement of red, violet. Yellow, orange has a complement of blue, violet. Okay? So please make sure for this first part that you have all of your colors painted in neatly and in the correct spaces, that you have your shades and your tints neatly laid in. Your text should be easy to read. Please upload a picture of just this one part before we move forward.